Okay, what I have here is our VERSA3D120 scanner. So this is a 120 meter range scanner with 16 lasers. In the front we have the main power button and also the battery compartment. So it has an internal battery itself, and also it can be operated by an external power source, and we provide the connector for that. We also have on the back HDMI port and USB port, which normally we don't really use, but you can actually connect to the scanner through these ports as well. On the side we have another additional power button. This button is used to turn the scanner head on and off. And the reason for this is that the scanner head uses quite a bit of battery power. And when we are doing something else, for example, we are downloading data from the computer or doing something else, we recommend that you turn the power to the scanner off. So now I'm going to mount this scanner on a tripod using this mount. Right? So this mount is available on all of our products of this class of lasers, and it's a universal mount, and we also provide the same latch for this mount on our MindFly drone. It's very easy to mount using this mount. You just push it in and turn the latch to the side, and that turns secures the scanner on the mount. Right? Now to turn the scanner on, the first step we recommend is that you first turn the scanner head on. When you push this button, you see that you will not see any green light. That's because the main power is still off. Right? Still, we recommend that you first turn this on before pushing this button. So now both of these lights are on, which means that the internal computer is on and also the scanner head is on. So the scanner is now calibrating itself. It takes only a few seconds. Okay, so now we are going to connect the scanner with an iPad. You can actually use any tablet or computer or your phone, Android based or Apple based, doesn't matter, to connect to the scanner. You do not need any special kind of software or any special app to do that, because it uses the web server, which is stored in the computer inside the scanner. So the first step you do is that you go to the settings and click on Wi-Fi, and here you can see that we have the R scanner Wi-Fi available. Now all of our this class of scanners will have the same R scanner in front, and then there will be some numbers which will be different depending on which scanner you have received. So now to connect to the scanner, we just click on it, and now you can see that it has connected. Now when the first time you connect to the scanner, it will ask you for a password, which we will provide you with. And now once it is connected, we can open any web browser, doesn't matter which one it is, and go to this IP address 1042.01, and we will provide this in the instructions as well. Now you can see that it is connected to the scanner, because the connect button on the bottom left is grayed out. It means that it is connected to the scanner. Now if I click on the control button, I see that there are different buttons available. On the left we have the recorder, which says start recording and stop recording. Now this is for mobile scanning, right? So when we are doing mobile scanning, we click on the start recording button, and when we are done, we just click on the stop recording button. On the right hand side, we see a stand scan. This is a stationary scan, which we can do anytime, takes less than 1 minute. So if I click on it now, it should start scanning. So now you can see that the scanner has started moving, and it is now capturing data. And on here in the progress bar, we can see the progress, that how much scan has been done. It's over 20% now. On the bottom left or bottom right, we see battery, that how much battery is left. So now you can see that about 68% of battery is left. So this is the internal battery we are using right now. You can do quite a few stationary scans with one charge, and we always recommend that you keep additional batteries with you when you go underground, so that you can easily swap the battery when you need more power, additional power. And when you're doing mobile scan, we recommend that you use external power, but you can also use the internal battery. Now the scanner has gone back to its original position, which means that it is done scanning. At this point, we recommend that you turn the scanner head off using this button, right? So the computer is still on, right, and which is processing data right now and saving the file. By processing, I mean that it is also creating a decimated point cloud, a smaller point cloud, which we can actually see here in the map home panel. And the reason for that is that we want to make sure that the scan we have taken is okay, right? A lot of times what happens is that the guys go underground, they do a bunch of scans, they come back, and then they find out the scan was not good, right? So this is a very useful utility, because it tells you exactly in a couple of minutes. It shows you a preview of the map, not the whole point cloud, just a preview. And you can make sure that ensure that the map was good enough. Now on the bottom, in the middle, you can see that there is it says that loading preview map. So it's actually right now the point cloud is being the decimated point cloud is being transferred to the iPad, and when it's done, we can click on the map home and look at the map. So now it's done. It says system is ready, which means that the map should now be available. If I click here, you can see that we have the map, which we have just taken, scanned, and this way we can be ensured that the map has been generated, and we can go to the next step and continue scanning or go back to the surface.